Hello everyone, this is Damian Ramos, and in today's video I'll be going over how to add windows and doors to your quick model project. So after you've added your rooms to your project in the Rooms tab, you can move on to the Windows and Doors tab for adding your windows and doors. On the left is this panel right here. You can change which mode you want to be in. So right now it's on Windows for Windows, and Doors, you want to click that for adding your doors. So I'll do Windows right now. There's these commands right here for placing your windows. So alt click is to place a window like that. You can use Control C to copy it, and then you can use Control Alt click to paste it. So I'll do Control C and then Control Alt click, and it gets pasted right here. This drop down is for changing where you want your windows placed, so it's automatically at any surface. But if you want to make sure your windows are placed on a specific surface, like a ceiling, wall, or floor, you can select that. This is for setting the default size of your windows. So it's automatically at 1 feet, 1 feet, and you can just change it to whatever default you want. And then we have some toggles right here. This one will lock your windows to a specific vertical position. So when I click that and I put a vertical position, let's say like 2, so that'll be like 2 feet, and I move this window around, you can see it's locked to that 2 feet from the ceiling of this house. And when I place a new window and I move it, it does the same. And then this toggle is for when placing a window, you drag it to give it a specific width. So I'll do that right now. As you can see, I can drag it and give it a specific width. So do that. That's what it looks like. And then this one right here is for showing fins and overhangs on your windows. So for each window, you'll see this panel down here pop up with some information and some values for that window. This first box right here is the window name. This is the window type, so it's automatically the default type that was selected in your libraries tab. So you can see right here it's a new dual pane vinyl frame, and if I go to libraries, new dual pane vinyl frame, that's the default type, and that's the same one that was for that window and for all of these windows. So if you have a specific window that you want to be a different kind of type, you can easily change that with this drop down. And this toggle right here is for setting a window as decoration only, so it doesn't affect loads. This toggle right here will lock your windows to the wall. So right now it's not set, and if I were to move this window to the side of the wall, you can see it kind of overhangs a bit, and I could just click that and it will not do that. It'll stay in the wall. Let me turn that off real quick. Okay, and then these boxes right here are for entering the size of the window. So the top two are for the width, so it's in feet, inches, and these bottom two are for the height. And you can enter these individually, or a quicker way to do it is using this box and just inputting the feet, inches for the width and height as one number. So for instance, if I want to make this window 2.5 feet by 4 feet, I just do 2 feet 6 inches, 26, and then 4 feet 0 inches. And it gets inputted like so. And then this is for changing the distance of the window from the top of the surface. So if I were to change it to, say, 2 feet, you can see it went down a bit. 1 feet goes back up. And then this is the horizontal offset from the center. So basically just the position of the window relative to the center of the surface that you place it on. So I put it at 0, it goes like towards the middle of that room. If I put -2, it goes towards the left, and then do like 5, it goes to that right side. And then right here, is where you can add a overhang. So if you have like an awning, or if the roof extends out and it covers part of the window, you can add that to the load calcs and make sure that it'll do the load calcs as accurate as possible. So let's say I have a overhang that's about 1 feet high and then 7 feet in length. There you go. Gets added right there, and then that will change it so that you can't see it. Okay, so I went ahead and added some windows to this project just so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. One thing I didn't mention is if you want to minutely change the position of your windows, click on it and use your arrow keys to adjust it. So right now, using the left and right keys to change the horizontal position, and then I can use the up and down keys to do the vertical position. And so yeah, once you've added your windows, you can move on to adding your doors. So click on doors, and it's very similar to adding windows, similar commands. Alt click to place it, Control C to copy, Control Alt click to paste. And again, there's this drop down for placing it on any surface type or for a specific surface. So I'll go ahead and add a door right here. Alt click on it, drag it, move it around. And then I can also use the arrow keys again to move that door. Add one for the back right here. And so just like for windows, for doors, a panel right here, bottom left, will pop up with some stuff that you can input and change. So first off, this toggle right here will set a door as decoration only, so it doesn't affect loads. You can set a door as the main door or the front door of the project. Again, similar dimension inputs as the window. It defaults to 3068, so 3 feet width, 6 feet 8 inches in height. That's what I usually just keep it for projects I work on. You can change that individually, or again, input it with this box right here. And then you could change the distance from the top, just like in a window, or you could do the horizontal offset from the sensor. And that is it for today's video on the windows and doors. I hope this helps you out when working on your next project, and thank you for watching.